Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Beauty by Ada here. In today's video, you already know what we are about to do. If you're hearing this voice for the first time, you're new here, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you don't miss any upload. Welcome back guys, all the returning subscribers. Thank you so much for always tuning in. I really do appreciate you all. Thank you for always tuning in. So today I'm going to be doing this makeup look on my client. She's a soon-to-be bride, so this is more like a trial, makeup look. So first I cleaned up her face with the face cleanser. I toned her face and then I applied my face primer on her face. And then after that, I'm going to be doing her brows. By the way, the face primer I used on her face is the Loreal Stay Matte Primer. And then, as you all know, if you've been on this channel, this is my Jordana brow pencil and my Morphe eyeshadow angle brush. And then, as you all know too, I also always use my ColourPop concealers to conceal my brows. So this look is going to be, she's going to pop, but then it's going to be, a bit natural, as what a bride should look like, a bit natural, but then she needs to pop, like she needs to glow. It's going to be her day, so she needs to glow a little bit. And then so if you're new to this channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so you know whenever I post any new video, you don't miss an upload. You don't want to miss any upload, guys. Please subscribe and click the notification bell. I really do appreciate that. And if you give this video a big thumbs up, that is well appreciated as well. So thank you so much. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and family. If you found it helpful, just share this video. So now I am going in with my ColourPop concealer. I am concealing her brows. Yeah, I am highlighting her brows, more like highlighting, not concealing, because I'm not concealing anything. Then I go over to apply that all over her eyelid and then blend it in with my Real Technique beauty blender. And then I am going in with my eyeshadow primer. Like you all know, this is the House of Tara eyeshadow primer. It is a Nigerian brand. This eyeshadow primer is a lifesaver, you all. Like, it's a lifesaver. I really enjoy using this eyeshadow primer. And then after that, I am going in with her eyeshadow, And guys, like, honestly, I have not been feeling really motivated to post. Like, I noticed I forgot to post on Sunday, and man, I was like, today I am definitely going to post this today, because I can't be slacking, guys. I cannot. So I'm still doing the eye work. This is the eyeshadow. I had to pop up today, and I decided I am definitely going to post this, because I don't know if it's the lockdown or anything, but I haven't really been feeling motivated lately. So if you give this video a big thumbs up, if I can at least get views on this video, that would really make my day. Like, I would really appreciate that if you give this video a thumbs up, share this video. And then I am done with her eyes. I'm going in with, this is my Revolution, Makeup Revolution or something. I've had this thing for a while, and then, like, I've had it for a while. I can't even remember the name. That was what I applied. I had to look for something, that has the glitter thing. I had to apply that on her eyelid as well, just to make her eyes pop. She has a beautiful eyes. I was like, hell no, these eyes have to pop. And then I'm applying her eyeliner. This is my Loreal eyeliner, by the way. I got that from Amazon. If you're looking for an affordable makeup product, mostly these makeup products are just like drugstore makeup products. That are really good and affordable, you know. So then I am going to be highlighting her face using my ColourPop concealer to I'm still blending. Like I always say, the key to a good makeup application is blending. You see me blending with my brush, with my beauty blender, with everything I can. I blend and blend and blend. And now after that, I go ahead and apply her foundation. Like I always say, I do this. Sometimes I do the contour and highlight before the foundation. Sometimes I do the foundation before the contour and highlight. So it just depends on what I feel like doing on any particular day. So it's not like whatever you do wouldn't work. Like whichever way you want to do it, it will definitely come out well. But you know, just as a makeup artist, you just play around with makeup and, you know, do lots of things. So I always like playing around, do this before that, and, you know, see how it turns out. And then this is my Airspun setting powder. I am using that to set her highlight. You see, this is also affordable, very affordable. I got that from Amazon also. Like guys, I have like different makeup brands. I have MAC, I have NARS, I have so many makeup brands. So it just depends on what I feel like using on a particular day. I just have so many makeup. Then after that, I go ahead and blend everything in with her powder, shade of her powder. This is the Milani powder, another drugstore. So you use that just to make sure that everything blends together. You don't want to be seeing, you know, the highlights looking different and the contour looking. You just want everything to blend in. And after that, I went in with this e.l.f. blush. I love it so much. I had to get 2 of that. It has like so many beautiful colors for fair people, for dark people. Like, you know, it's just so beautiful. As you can see, this was like really quick. This is like a quick look. So now that I'm going in, I am lining her lips. I cannot remember the name of this lip liner, but I've had it for a while. I mean, I think I bought them. I bought like many of them. I loved the color, you know. Yeah, so I'm blending everything together. I'm trying to go for like, you know, more like a nude lip, something not too loud, because her eyes are already popping. And after that, I went ahead and used my Milani Tantastic bronzer because she needs to glow. Look at that glow, sis. Look at that glow. Makeup is one thing that I love. I enjoy doing. I love doing makeup. I love doing hair. This is just my passion. I just love making people look beautiful. I love making things look beautiful. I love making anything, like, as long as it's making it look beautiful. This is my best part when I am doing a makeup look, when the client looks in the mirror and is like, oh wow, you know, that look, it's priceless. Like, to me, that means everything to me. I love this. Like, yeah, you can see her smiling. She's definitely happy. So guys, I just hope you enjoyed this video. I just hope you give it a thumbs up. Please, if you have not subscribed, please click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you don't miss any upload. Like my video and share my video with your friends and family. I always post on Wednesdays and Sundays. I will definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.